What if your morning coffee, weekly groceries, and monthly bills all gave you money back automatically? This is informational content and it's sponsored by Crypto.com and should not be considered as investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risks such as price volatility and market risk. Before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, consider your risk appetite. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, so guys, this is the landing page of Crypto.com. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, the program presents a structured approach to integrating everyday spending with the accumulation of up to 6% cash back on your purchases. Now, this is the part of their website that talks about Level Up. Now, here you can see, guys, okay? So these are the subscriptions that they have. Plus, they have Pro and they have Private. Now, for Plus, you will see zero trading fees up to $20,000, 4.5% per annum on cash, and 2.0% back on crypto. So it actually goes higher. The subscriptions here go higher. Now you have Pro here, okay, $29.99, and zero trading fees up to $50,000 a month, 5% per annum on cash. You get 3.0% back in crypto, and you have 0% here for foreign exchange. And then this is the ultimate subscription that they have, okay? So Private. Now, this actually depends. So you can go ahead and check this out once you visit their website. And I would suggest you include that in your own research. So zero trading fees, unlimited trading volume, 5.0% per annum on cash. You get 4% back in crypto, and 0% for foreign exchange fees. You get 8.5% CRO lockup rewards and an extra 1% per annum on earned income. So you could go ahead and check that one out, of course. You should check out this part of their website because it has all the information. Look at this, all right? You have the Plus, the Pro, and the Private. Like I mentioned earlier, guys, up to 6%, see? So for Plus, it's 2.0%, for Pro, 3.0%, and then for Private, 4 to 6%. This immediate distribution model, guys, reflects a shift toward real-time value recognition and allows users to see tangible outcomes from their transactions without any delay. Rather than traditional points or delayed cashback systems, the framework emphasizes direct ownership of digital rewards. Now, at the center of this, guys, the platform reframes daily expenses as part of a broader financial strategy. Routine purchases, ranging from groceries to online subscriptions, are actually positioned as opportunities to build incremental value over time. So as you can see, there's a disclaimer here as well. Of course, you have to include that in your own research. You can find more information about this on their website, and I would strongly suggest you check them out, of course. All right? So here, guys, beyond the financial incentives, okay, the program incorporates lifestyle-oriented benefits. Not just, the usual trading, not just the usual derivatives and spots and copy trades and all that. Rebates on popular streaming services like Netflix and Spotify help reduce recurring costs, effectively offsetting their subscription expenses. So for those who are traveling, complimentary airport lounge access adds an extra layer of comfort. Those are the kinds of things you're paying for, right? You want to make sure you're taken care of because you're subscribed or you're a member of something, right? And that's what Crypto.com is adding to their value, right? So getting started is also designed to be very, very straightforward. A free 30-day trial also lets users explore the features without any commitment, which offers a risk-free introduction to the ecosystem. Now, if you decide to continue, the subscription starts at $4.99, just like I showed you. So here it is, $4.99 per month. Now, this combination of accessibility, practical rewards, and lifestyle enhancements positions the program as a multifaceted tool for modern financial engagement. And of course, guys, these are things I strongly recommend you check out because Crypto.com is a top centralized exchange. It's a really, really well-known exchange, and they have a reputation for being awesome. So take your wealth to the next level and let your daily purchases pay you back. Start your free Level Up trial today and see how much you can earn. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll consider clicking like and subscribe. Click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.